Worx 3-in-1 cordless lawn mower, taking you through it. Get her started up here is easy. Push, try to do it one-handed. Push, pull, I missed. Push, push, pull, lights up, go. Maneuverability of the front wheels really work. I've tried other mowers with this same feature and it really didn't do anything except make it harder to maneuver in these tight spaces. So if you've got a lawn with a lot of ins and outs, a swing set maybe, or gardens, pergolas with grass in or around them, the wheels really do it. Two 56-volt batteries, sorry, the two batteries that amount to 56 volts, pop in, pop out, take about 2 hours to charge. Let's do this starting again. Push, pull, lights, go. I'm taking about 2 inches off this grass, which is a nice healthy lawn growing fast in the northeast at a cool time of the year, or a cool spell anyway. We've had a good bit of rain, some decently cool nights. So this is no wimpy late summer lawn. And you can see for yourself what the 56 volts is leaving for mulch behind. I've already mowed a couple of times in conditions like this, and the cut has been clean, and I've really been able to mow this lawn about twice, which includes the backyard. It's not just this little part. So mow it twice on one charge. I'll do another lap here. And you can hear the quiet. I mean, the quiet is ridiculous. I can tune this thing up at 8 o'clock on Saturday morning, not wake up my neighbors, heck, barely even wake up myself. It's really a nice feature. The mulch that comes out of its spine, it's going to break down in the yard well. I can lock the wheels easily, which I do for the longer runs in the backyard. I'll whip you through there, show you how that works out. There are 2 settings on this mower too. Eco and Turbo. The Eco is even quieter, makes the batteries last even longer.